An overlocker or serger is a must if you want to take your sewing to the next level. It will allow you to create a professional looking finish on woven garment projects, as well as sewing knit fabrics from scratch, trimming and finishing in one swift action. But let's be honest, overlockers and sergers can be a bit intimidating when you first start using them. Hi, I'm Tilly. I'm a best-selling sewing author and founder of the award-winning sewing pattern company, Tilly and the Buttons, and this is the workshop I wish I'd had when I started using an overlocker. In Make Friends with an Overlocker or Serger, I'm going to get you feeling confident using your machine, whether you've never used an overlocker before, or maybe you have a bit of experience already, but you just feel like you haven't fully got to grips with it yet. You'll learn a wealth of skills and techniques. From threading your machine, both from scratch and the speedy way, stitching different seams on woven and knit fabrics, curves, corners and loops, achieving balanced thread tension, adjusting the settings, including understanding the differential feed, creating a rolled hem and lettuce edge finish, troubleshooting common issues and fixing mistakes, and caring for your overlocker to keep it in tip-top condition. Plus lots of tips and tricks from me peppered throughout the class. You can take this workshop from the comfort of your own home, pause, rewind and re-watch the video lessons whenever it suits you as many times as you like. There are no deadlines, so you can revisit the workshop anytime you need a refresher. So sign up today and get ready to become best friends with your overlocker or serger.